Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Easy English Chat. I am Louie, and I am so happy to see you here again. Today, we're going to talk about a very common problem. It is a problem that every English learner has. Imagine this. You are at the airport. You are at a cafe. Or maybe you are at work. Someone walks up to you and starts talking, but they are speaking so fast. Their words sound like one long, blurry sound. You hear blah 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 coffee or blah 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 passport. Your heart starts to beat faster. Your face feels warm. You want to say something, but you are afraid. I want to tell you a secret. This is normal. Even after years of study, I sometimes feel this way too. Today, I am going to give you a toolkit. This toolkit has the exact phrases you need when you don't understand. By the end of this lesson, you will feel like a leader in every conversation. You won't be afraid of fast speakers anymore, because now you have a plan. When we don't understand, our brain usually wants to say, "What?" But "what" can sound a little bit angry or rude in English. We want to be polite. Polite people get more help. The first tool in your toolkit is the polite pause. Listen to this phrase. "I'm sorry, could you say that a little slower, please?" Let's look at why this works. We start with, "I'm sorry." In English, this doesn't mean you did something wrong. It means, "I am a nice person. Please help me." Then we ask, "Could you say that a little slower?" I want to practice this with you now. I am going to say the phrase, and I want you to say it with me. Speak out loud. Don't be shy. "I'm sorry. Could you say that a little slower, please?" Again, follow my rhythm. "I'm sorry. Could you say that a little slower, please?" Good. Now, what if they're still too fast? We use tool number 2, the repeat request. Could you repeat that one more time? Let's try it together. Could you repeat that one more time? Now, let's take a small break. Why do native speakers speak so fast? Are they trying to be difficult? No, they are using something called connected speech. In English, we don't say every word separately. We don't say, "What is the time?" We say, "Was the time?" The words jump into each other. It's like a dance. When you understand this, you stop blaming yourself. It isn't because your English is bad. It is because the words are hiding inside each other. One way to fix this is to listen for key words. Usually, nouns and verbs are the loudest words. If you hear bus and 10, you can guess the person is talking about the bus at 10 o'clock. You don't need to understand every word to understand the message. Remember the 70% rule. If you understand 70% of a conversation, you are winning. Give yourself permission to be mostly right. Fluency is not perfection. Okay, it is time for a game. We are going to do a conversation simulation. I am going to play the role of a very busy, very fast-talking man at a train station. I'm going to say something very fast. Your job is to use one of our phrases to stop me. Are you ready? Let's try, "Hi there, the train to London is delayed by 20 minutes on platform 4. Did you get that? Now it is your turn. Speak to your screen. Ask me to slow down or repeat. Great. Now, because you asked, I will speak slower. The train to London is delayed by 20 minutes. See? When you speak up, the world slows down for you. Let's try one more. I am a waiter in a restaurant. Welcome to the cafe. Would you like to see the menu or are you ready to order? Our specials today. Your turn. Wonderful. You're doing it. You are taking control. We are almost at the end of our lesson. You have done a lot of hard work today. We learned 3 things. 1. Use I'm sorry to be polite. 2. Ask people to slow down or repeat. 3. Listen for the loudest words, the key words. I want to give you one last piece of advice. Don't wait for your English to be perfect before you go outside. Speaking is like a sport. You cannot learn to swim by reading a book about water. You have to jump in. If you make a mistake, smile. People are usually very kind when they see you're trying. Your homework. This week, I want you to watch one video in English. Any video. When you hear a fast sentence, pause the video and say out loud, I'm sorry, could you say that slower? Practice the feeling of the words in your mouth. Thank you for listening to Easy English Chat. If this video helped you, please tell a friend. We are a small community and we grow together. I am Louie. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.